Juan, Señor Honorable Nicanor Tahoe, Chief Ines WGO, Miss Jessica Caballo, Jesus, Your Justice Speaker, CDW's parents, visitors, to my fellow graduates. Good afternoon. Today is our mentor's day. I know that this moment will happen. It's great to see you all as we celebrate the first step in our life. I welcome you all on this wonderful day of celebration. May the Lord guide, share to us a good day in our future. Congratulations not only selves, but share our parents and teachers. And thank you for your endeavors. Once again,